Kwa wale watu mnaamka asubuhi Gisesa, hakunya kungaino mwako ni matengo kile crisis wa raiga umutobyoso. Lakini let me tell you, we swore by the Bible. Gisesa mo gisangiona yo karango mukuna, olimo gisangi kabinga iranara. Gisesa, I don't want no minto. Diamono, kabinga lingoro jam. Asante. This kind of habits is what we should not allow. It's not we will not allow. Sika kiromo raineke wango kiaye. Including when we are in difference, we are in loggerheads with anybody else. You have never seen me interfere in the public gathering. I respect. Abantu bamintu. Gavano mintu. Ebiragite bitigabichake. Lakini kera atoke. Ngachiro arai chire isano. Nega asiyere gotinda cherenke. Chigende chinyo gutanda sasande. Egerega asiyegende. Biyamono. Kiagara biragita mbikora. And that's a fact. That's a fact. Your Excellency, Miyamone Kiagara Itukeni. Na sabi yabono ngochikwa Omo County Commissioner Itoi Baga. Achiche abakwanere. Na inde Miyamono Governor. Pesa uliyama sikani alikuwa nchaine. Na OCMO Elijah Delage. Wanta pecha kerega iga ane ya sawa senye naenda bantaban kwa yete ira nga kwa yete ira nga no balende biyamono Umame Your Excellency, we went down to cheer our cousin in cheer out to make those. Thank you to call a party, not to Tangalia. Asante sana, Esa Uliogo Karibisa. Omo County Commissioner ito 1, 2, 3.